let's do an unboxing of this flashlight. So as you can see here, we have the new model. I just took it out of the box to make it easier. So the model is fvl54k. So we have 625 lumens LED light output. We have the USB, and we have the laser pointer that is great, and is pivoting flashlight. So as you can see here, we have 180 degrees, we have laser, magnet, we have 3 modes, low, medium, high, is IP54, so dust and water resistant, and up to 16 hours of runtime. And here on the other side, as you can see here, we have the same information. I think it's just 2 years of warranty. Yes, 2 years of warranty. As you can see here, we have 625. So basically, in the back it says the same thing as before. Here we have the serial number. We have a medium. We have a high. We have 625 lumens. Medium 225. Low 75. Capacity. The battery is Frank Victor Bravo 01, and the capacity is 2 amps, voltage 4 volts, and USB 19 inches, made in China. So this is all you're going to get with this. So I took it out of the box already, make it easier, faster. It comes with the paperwork as usual, more advertisement. And when you take it out of the box, so this is what you're going to get. The thing that I like the most is that you don't need a special charger. So as you can see, it comes with a USB cable. So you can use the USB cable, just hook it up here, and the light will start blinking when it's charging. Once it's fully charged, it will stop blinking. Here, as you can see here, we have a 2 amp battery, as you can see here, USB. And it has a flat surface here, so that way you cannot put it backwards or anything like that. It says Ryobi. And here we have the magnet. So the magnet, let's try to use this, and as you can see, it works. I mean, it works. Yep, it's strong enough to hold it in place, and it's very, very, very strong. So I like it. So you have to remove this in order to put the battery. So if you put it in the wrong way, it will not fit. Make sure that you use the contact, it goes in the right place, as you can see here. And if you put it completely flush, as you can see here, it should fit just fine. The only thing I don't like about this is that the port is here, so you cannot charge it maybe while you're using it. In some cases, maybe, like any other tool, sometimes you can charge it, at the same time that you're using it. It would be nice maybe to have some port kind of here. And if you're wondering, okay, so how it's going to be water resistant if they put the port here? Well, maybe they can do the same thing as Milwaukee did. They put the port here, you cover it, and that's it. So this is another light that I have. So here you can turn it to the right, to the left, in the middle. So you hear the clicking noise. Here we have the USB cable. I'm going to put it on the side. And here you have the clip. So if you want to put it in your pocket, I think it's going to be huge. As you can see here, if you compare it with my iPhone 15 Pro, it's bigger than that. And it's very thick. So the thing is, I mean, it's very powerful. So I'm going to turn it on so that way you can see. The first time I push the button, I feel the heat of the light. So that is the maximum. If I push again, it will turn off. So if I push once again, you will have the laser. Hopefully you can see it. The laser, there you go. If I push again, you turn it off. I don't like this. I prefer, to have maybe another button for the laser, or another button so that way you can change the brightness. That will be my main issue with this. So turn it on, and then you see the laser again. Hopefully I can see the laser. I mean, I can see by my eyes, but with the camera it's a little bit difficult. So as you can see here in my hand, you can see it. If you use it in a white wall, you will see it better. So here, there we go. So this is the lowest setting, and I have the laser. So you can see the laser in my hand, great. On the wall, on the table, you're not going to see it. So push it again, and that's it. So as you can see, I mean, You have the laser here. I'm going to aim it to the camera so that way you can see the special effect. And it's not as powerful. I would like it to be maybe green. I mean, a green light usually works better. For instance, I have the OLED light here, this brand. I made another video about this. This is what I use every day. And if you see, it's powerful. Let's turn it on, and you see this is way more powerful, you know, the Ryobi one than the other one. The other one, I don't remember exactly the brightness of this one, but obviously is much less. Obviously is lower the lumens, but the size, you know, is way small. And the good thing, for instance, with this one is if I want to use the laser, I have this dial that you see here. So if I push it, if I leave it there, I have the laser, great. If I move it towards the other side, I have the flashlight, and that's it. If I want to turn it off, done. If I want more brightness or less brightness, I just keep it pushing, and then it will change, you know, the brightness automatically by pushing this button. So this one, you have to push, you know, multiple times in order to do everything. I don't think so. You know, it's going to be that useful if you have the laser and the red one. The red laser, usually they're not as much as powerful as the green one. So I'm going to show you how you can have it in your pocket. So as you can see here, usually I have it like this, and I have my marker and the flashlight all in one place. But let's take this out of the pocket and let's try to put this. And as you can see here, I don't know if you're going to be able to do something. I mean, if you're going to be able to live and work, you know, with a huge thing on your pocket like that, or maybe you can use it the other way around. As you can see, maybe like that, it might be much better. With this one, I don't care. It's like I don't even have it. It's like I don't even realize because it's so little. But the other one, if you have to use it, you know, maybe to fix a car or something like that, I think it's going to be good. Or maybe you're in the basement, you know, replacing a water heater or something like that. You just, you know, hook it in the, I mean, just leave it next to a metal bin or something like that, and then, you know, you have these, and then you're going to be able to use it just fine. In my case, I prefer this. I like this the most. I have it like that, and then, you know, you turn it on and off, and that's it, and you have very good light. The only downside of this is the battery, you know, maybe 2-3 hours and it's done. With these 16 hours, you have a little bit more. Otherwise, you have to buy multiple batteries with that, and then, you know, you replace 2 or 3 batteries in the middle of the day. That's it. With this, a whole day with one battery. If you use it in the lowest setting, maybe in the middle setting, it might be 8 hours, and the highest setting maybe 4 hours. Who knows? I don't know. I didn't see it in the paperwork. But other than that, I mean, I like the magnet. And you can give it to your helpers or something, so that way they can use it, and you keep the other one, the little one, or the headlight. So I mean, it feels nice, feels like quality. And I think if you don't abuse it, I think it should last for a very long time. Always make sure that don't aim the laser to nobody. And you should be good. Nobody will complain. Nobody will lose their sight. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question about this product, just let me know, or any other product. I'll try to reply your message. Also, if you go to my playlist, you will see all my videos about tools and everything else. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. And also, I am in US. If you need tools, and if you're outside the United States, you want me to send you something, let me know, and I can FedEx to you.